Hi, Zachary. Look at him holding his head up. Look at the little man with his head. You say hi? Yeah. Say hi. Oh, mommy sneezed. Hey. There's a baby. Look at that head. You got a strong little man neck. Yeah. With your cute little plaid shorts. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Oh, there you go. Yeah. There's the tongue. There's the tongue. Kind of slouching. There we go. I'll get you in there better. Say hi. Hey, Zachary. Good morning. Hi. Yeah. All right, say bye-bye.